Hi all. This video is for those who are making Ignou assignment in whichever stream you are or the courses that you have taken, whether it is master or it is bachelor's or any other course like MBA, wherever you have to do the assignment. Sometimes you all buy it from different kind of telegram channel or for different people giving it through YouTube, asking you money for that. You don't have to do it. I got more than 80% marks in all the assignment till date in my master mcom I was doing. And the very easy way in which you can do is using the chat gpt. Now how you are going to do it, I'm going to show you all. First you need to go to the mcom assignment portal of Ignou. Now since I have done mcom, I'm showing you the master degree, but you can utilize the same way to give the prompt in chat gpt for your assignment, and it will give you the complete answer to you, including questions, including the solution with case studies or example based or a real life example also. So how you're going to do it is select your own degree programs. Like I'm selecting mcom, I'm going to the fourth semester. This is the old assignment portal. You can use the new one also. Just for an example, I'm showing you. I'm taking a fourth semester question. Okay. Let's just go into the first one, international business environment. Now, this question that is coming is question number 1A, define balance of payment disequilibrium. It is for 10 marks. And the next question that comes, major factors, it is for another 10 marks. Now, for getting a good marks, instead of taking answer only for 10 marks, go for a 20 marks answer. So, if the question balance of payment disequilibrium is for 10 marks, you're going to type it in chat gpt for 20 marks, because the more you can give details of your answer along with example or real life example or any kind of case study to explain what is define a balance of payment, then only you'll get a good marks, which I have did the same. So I'll first copy this line, define balance of payment disequilibrium. Okay, then I'll go to chat gpt. Over here I'll put the answer, then put an enter. It will give you a complete details. Now, instead of getting into this kind of a answer for 2 3 marks, just type give answer for 20 marks with real life example for my Ignou assignment. Now look how it will going to give you it. Let's see. See, now it had given the complete result over here. So whichever point you want to write, you can write it along with the example. If you go, so if you find it's a conclusion is also given, a real life example is also given with data, RBI data, from the data of import and everything. Now if we go to the second question, it is giving us the major factors affecting balance of payment. Now we need to check whether the same thing have came over here or not. The major factor over here, the measures came, the effect came, decline in export came, causes of disequilibrium it came. Okay, and types of balance of payment. Now if anything comes similar which is there in the second question, then you can remove it if you want, so using the chat gpt prompt. Let's just see the second question. Discuss the major factor affecting balance of payment and the methods of correcting disequilibrium. Okay, I gave my question over here and I type to chat gpt, give me the answer for this assignment Ignou question for 20 marks along with real life examples to be different from others, you need to give different kind of a thing. Like people may simply copy paste from the book or just give it in Google, but you need to give some real life example. Highlight it in your assignment, so that the person who will be checking and giving you the marks can see it how you have written. See, it gave a structured example now, or the structured answer for that, how the major factors are affecting. Along with C, if you see it, an example is also given for every point. Now it's a 20 marks question. Let's see how many point it gives. It has also given the methods of correcting balance of payment. Both the question answer it had given to us. Okay, for first question they have given 10 points, and for the second question they have also given 10 points, and at the end they have given a real life case study over here. If you feel that 10 point is not enough, you want to give some more, you can give it. If you want to break the question, okay, like over here it is given as methods of correcting balance of payment disequilibrium. If I wanted, I could have given this question separately to ChatGPT. So this is how they are going to give it. Now you can format it by giving a different kind of a form prompt, like you can say, don't give me the definition of balance of payment and all, just give me the major factors in detail along with real life example for every point. It will give you the same. Okay, they will it will immediately remove the first point. It will give you the answer. If you want to separate it from the methods of correcting it, then you can give a different question also. So in this way you can give one or the other question. Instead of 10, for every 10 marks question, instead of giving 10 marks, write 20 marks. Because 10 marks is not sufficient enough. For people who sometimes say that you should write for only 4 or 5 pages for your answer, no, that's not enough. I've seen that. For my project, if you see, at least every assignment that I've given, minimum 25 pages I have written. Okay, that really matters, and that 25 is not something copy pasted. I've given real life example for each and every point. Okay, just like over here it is given export performance, a real life example. Highlight this real life example, use only the black and blue pen, nothing else. I don't think anything else is required. Write the question in a black ink, and you can write the answer, and for every point you can use the blank ink. I don't use any other color or anything else. Simply write this kind of simply write the answer in this way. Okay, there is no need to go for in-depth. If you want, you can give an in-depth answer also. Like you can just ask ChatGPT, instead of giving this, just ask ChatGPT major factors affecting balance of payment with real life examples for every point. Give 20 points. For 10 marks I have always given 20 points. Don't just give 10 points. Okay, always give something extra. People might only write that much that is needed, but I've always believed in giving something extra to the person who will be checking my assignment. So give 20 points, and every point should have a real life example, real life example connecting the point. Now let's see what ChatGPT gave us. See, a detailed answer now it had given. Now since they are giving it in only 2 lines, you can change it over here and write, give 20 points in detailed, and every point should have a real life example connecting the point. Let's see if it changes the answer or not. Now see, a better answer it had given you. Few more lines, few more examples. Now let's see how many points it had only given you 20 points or not. 14, 15. It will break so many points and it will give you more. 20 example, and see, a summary table is also given. If you want, you can use this table also, so that people who want to see how much you have written, how much you have explored the question, because they want someone to write the assignment on their own, not just copy paste it. So separately you can give this kind of a summary table also, a conclusion along with that. Along with that, on our introduction is also given. If you want, you can put this introduction, or else you can avoid it. So this is how you are going to make the assignment. Okay, nothing extra is needed to be given, but always try to do it from ChatGPT. Even I've taken help of ChatGPT while answering the terminal questions in our books also. So I just copy pasted the question and pasted it over here, given it a mark. Since Ignou question answer have minimum marks 10 marks. I've seen in Master of Commerce in MCOM. Sometimes it is 5, sometimes 8 also, it depends, but I always prefer for 10 to 20 marks question. If you have a 20 marks question ready with you, then you can write 4 marks question also, 5 marks also, 8 marks, 10 marks, 15 marks also. You need to have more points in your hand while writing the answer. So this is how you're going to prepare your assignment. If you have any kind of a query or not, you can just put it in the comment box and I will try to help you all as much as you can. And regarding the Igno synopsis and Igno project, I'll come up with a new video and help you all to do it. Thank you so much.